Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And today the bear is here to lend a helping paw, pull you to safety, let you know that, yep, remind you, in less than 2 weeks, it's Mother's Day. It's the 8th of May, is coming. We're like, what, 11 days out, something like that. It's ridiculous. It is fast approaching, and if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you have not yet procured your gift for dear old mom or the mom in your life. Oh my gosh. So the bear is here to help you out. I sat down with the missus and we went through all the stuff that I've like given her or stuff that she's liked over the years that she's received as presents and have gotten her thumbs up of approval. So let's jump into it. First off, what we're going to talk about here is we're going to talk about for the crafty mom in your life. We've got the Cricut Maker 3. Now, there's a lot of different companies out there that do this kind of stuff. This is the Rolls Royce, the top of the line of the Maker, whether they're doing, stuff for scrapbooking or any kind of other stuff they make. I'll be honest, I've even cut leather with one of these. There is a way to do it. We can talk about that in another video. There's tons of stuff you can do with these things. They're fantastic. Now, they're not, the top line one here isn't inexpensive. It is $400, not gonna lie. There are cheaper ones out there. There's the Cricut Air and all that kind of stuff, but everyone I've ever talked to who got something less than the Cricut 3 always regretted it. They're always like, they hit that ceiling of what they could do real quick, and then they're always saying, well, I wish I'd just sucked up and gotten this. You know, the bear does not say that often, all right? Always talking about that there's other ways to, to skin that cat. With this one, this might be the way you have to do it. Now, as far as the tools and stuff, they have a great deal right now. If they already have a Cricut, here's the Cricut basic tool set right here. 5-piece precision toolkit for crafting and DIY, $7.19. There's also, check this out. A lot of them making like transfers and stuff for t-shirts and other things. This is a great little crafty iron. That's literally what this is. It's a tiny, tiny iron. And yes, as you can see, this is something I purchased for my wife. She absolutely adores it. It is adorable. Looks like you should put it on a leash, feed it out of a little bowl, give it a little name. It is the cutest little thing. But it does. It heats up. It gets nice and hot, and it's good for doing transfers and other kind of press-on stuff. Another $5 off when you click the little coupon there. It's from Dodo Dumb. Cricut makes one as well. However, the Cricut one is more expensive, isn't any better. As far as we can tell, it's from the same manufacturer. A lot of people in the crafting community have recognized this, and this has become the go-to one now. $37.98 on that one. Next up is the Nimbot. Now, I bought one of these for my missus, not for Valentine's Day or Christmas or anything, just because I know she likes to label things. I do too, and I thought, we try these out. This is cool. It pairs with your cell phone, all right? So you pair it up with your cell phone. Let's see if there's a picture there. There's an app on the cell phone. And you could do all sorts of really cool stuff with it. So this is just the printer. So you have to have a cell phone that I think has Bluetooth. So and it works with Android and with Apple. I've used both. And it's fantastic. It is so simple, easy to use. It's a lot of fun, honestly, and for $29.99 plus an extra 10%, so you're going to save $3 on that. Let's see what else we got next. We got the electric standing desk. Basically, my idea here is if she's doing crafting, she's got to have a surface to do it on. This is an electric standing desk for $230. Now, I'm not sitting there. Don't sit there and say, well, you should stand because it's healthier and stuff like that. The idea is that when you're working on these crafts, sometimes you want to stand, sometimes you want to sit down. If you want to stand, you're going to need it elevated. This way, it's a multi-purpose desk or workstation or crafting station or whatever they want to do. And at $229, it is a pretty solid piece of kit there. I'm really happy with the one that we got. The wife uses it all the time. Anyway, moving along, we've got the Hamilton Beach 1.7 variable temperature electric kettle. This so we're getting into out of the crafting and into the cooking section here. Remember, only buy them cooking stuff if they really say, hey, I like cooking stuff. But you know who that is in your life. So that said, $50 on this. What is cool about this is there's a base that this thing sits on. So the base is where the power goes, and all you do is you pick it up and it comes off the base. So the cord isn't attached. It heats up 1.7 liters of water incredibly fast. It's not instant. I'm not saying it's instant, but it's really fast. And my wife uses this thing all the time. We had to buy, I have to buy two of these. We have one at home, and she wanted another one for in the RV. So we've got two of these things. They're really cool, and we use it for all sorts of stuff. Whether you're making tea or making hot chocolate or making soup or ramen, we use it for all sorts of stuff around the RV and around the house. $50 on that one. All right, the Instapot. You've heard me talk about it. If you've been following the channel, you've been heard me following the Instapot. This is kind of funny because this is one of these gifts. They would call them a time bomb kind of gift that I give the missus. I will give her a gift knowing this is like the new hot item that everyone loves, and then she'll be reluctant. She's not good with change, and she'll be reluctant to use it. And then 6 months, a year later, I'll get a phone call out of the blue. I'll be off somewhere. Oh my gosh, I just used it. This is the best thing ever. I can't believe this is so awesome. I'll be sitting there going, what is she talking about? Did she get into the bad chipmunks again? What's going on here? And no, the Instapot was one of those. She didn't want to try it for a long time. And then she saw a video on it and she decided to try it. And she's like, oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. How did I ever live without one? Now, there's lots of different sizes and different styles. This is a fairly high-end one, okay? There are less expensive versions. This is $139. You don't have to get that one. This is the Ultra, all right? Now, where is it? Here we go. There's also an add-on you can get that turns it into an air fryer. Why is that important? Well, air fryers are a lot of fun. You can great for cooking stuff. The Instapot's a lot of fun, but do you really need two separate items sitting there on your counter and taking up a lot of space? Or you're shuffling one back and forth and that kind of stuff, especially for us here in the RV. That was why I went with the solution of getting the air fryer lid, turns the Instapot into an air fryer. $48.92 on that one. If you want it with the standard Instapot, where's the picture of the standard Instapot with the fryer? So it's not the more advanced one, but $150 gets you both appliances in one. That is a fantastic deal right there. All right, another thing that we absolutely love. Carrying around a blender takes up a lot of space in an RV or even in a kitchen, especially when you're doing smaller things. And this KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender is incredible. The thing is built like a tank. Chews through anything. I've used it. She uses it all the time. It is $100, but it is a KitchenAid, and I'll be honest, I am a big fan of KitchenAid stuff. All right, all the KitchenAid stuff I've ever had has been fantastic. And look at this. You can put the whisk thing on it. You can use it for chopping up nuts and stuff like this. I know I could go to the whole slap chop kind of thing. I'm not going to. But that said, this is a great starter kit. It's got everything you need for $100. Next up, now we're going to get into some health stuff and then some gadget stuff. My wife, just full disclosure, is a medical nerd. So this is stuff that she really likes. Your wife may not be, or your mom may not be the medical nerd that mine is. So just be aware of that. If you get this for her, she may scratch her head thinking what's going on here. But at the same time, I should say, if you don't have one of these, you should have this around the house, especially in this day and age of the cough and everything else going around. This is an oxygen saturation meter. Just like in the hospital, they clip it on the end of your finger and they instantly can tell you not only what your heartbeat is, but how much oxygen is in your blood. If you have a respiratory situation like the pandemic that's been going on, this is what's going to tell you instantly whether whether you're getting enough oxygen or not. $22.90 on this. We probably have 4 or 5 of these around the house because they're small, they get misplaced. We take one with us. It's just a great little peace of mind, instantly telling your heart rate and your oxygen meter. Now, another thing we have, talking about smart, health kind of stuff, is we have the kinsa Smart Thermometer for fever. This is baby, kid, and adult, and we all use it. It connects with an app on your phone and allows you to track over time what temperatures are. So when we both had the thing, it would allow us to track daily what was going on, but also with the kids. Mom likes, if she's like my wife, she loves to stay on top of what the kids' temp is and what's going on and track it, get into the analytics of it. It's just the way she is. And at $19.97, it is not that expensive when you consider how much smart appliances and stuff are. All right, moving along. The Apple iPad. Now, I gotta be honest, we bought this for the daughter, but she has been sitting there ever since she got it going, well, I should have got one of this for me. Maybe I need to get one of these for me. I need to get what we've had tablets before in the past, and I had the first generation iPad. Was not a huge fan of it because of its, it's limited. You couldn't expand the memory and stuff. But at 64 gigs on this, I think most people will be just fine. Anyway, decent price on this, $320 on that. Not a fabulous price. It's been a little. I think it was like $300 when we bought it. But anyway, the iPad. If there's a great, if she likes this kind of stuff, there's a great way to say I love you. All right, and I'm not saying you have to buy stuff to say I love you. I'm also not saying that it doesn't hurt. My wife. I don't know about yours, but my wife loves to listen to, as I call them, the How to Murder Your Husband shows. And it's funny because being in the RV park, we met a lot of couples and families around here. They all do it. What's the deal with that? All these wives are out there listening to the How to Murder People shows. It's terrifying. Anyway, my wife will walk around. She doesn't actually watch the show, but she listens to it, and she's got her AirPods in. Now, she likes the second gen AirPods, the basic ones. I gave her these, the Apple AirPods Pro. She hated them. We had to return them because she didn't like the way they fit in the ear. She likes this kind of style that hangs down a little bit longer there. It could be a personal preference. Maybe they work better. Maybe they fit better. I don't know. But I can tell you, she uses them for everything. I don't think there's a moment of the day where she doesn't have one of them in. And it's usually just one. She puts one in until it dies, and then she flips and uses the other one. Women are weird. I'm not even going to pretend to say that I understand it. All right. Now this is another thing that I got her a version similar to this. I picked it up I think at like Walmart or something like that. Solar power bank. And it's got the little solar cells on it, so you leave it out, it charges. It has contactless charging built in. It's got a flashlight on it. It's even got a compass. That compass is worthless. Just throw that away. Anyway, she said, now this is funny. This is a quote. She said this is an I love you gift. Basically just thinking like, I know you use your phone a lot. I know you're constantly running out of charge. Here's this to make sure you always have your phone so you can listen to your shows and plot how to murder me. It's a thing. I don't understand it. I don't pretend to understand it. I just know it works. Trust the bear on this one. All right. $29.99. Don't forget to check the little check mark box so you get the 5% coupon at checkout. All right. And we will have links to everything down below as always. All right. WorkPro. We fight over these knives, people. WorkPro has sent us these knives. They've sent us more of these knives. We've bought these knives. They're just absolutely the best utility knife in the world. We have them everywhere. They're all around the house. She has one. She made the little stickers for it with the label maker, so it has her stickers or whatever on it. So when she knows it's hers, she still steals mine. I just given up at this point. I just keep buying more. They're fantastic. They can go through the wash. It's like nothing hurts these things. They're just amazing. There's one of those things the Bears talked about. There's been several products the Bears talked about. It's kind of like with the wife where people go, nah, I don't know. Finally they tried, and then I get the email of, oh my gosh, Bear, you were so right. Why didn't I listen to you sooner? I don't know. I try to help people out. Nobody listens. All right, this is one from the wife. The Kira Sky. I know nothing about this, people. Don't ask me any questions. The Kira Sky Dipping Powders Essential Kit. Complete, easy-to-use powder manicure dipping kit. So she loves getting her claws done, all right? Absolutely loves it. But then because she's a budget bear, just like me, she feels bad about spending the money. I tell her, don't worry about it. Just do it. If it makes you feel happy, makes you feel pretty, go do it. I don't have a problem with it, but she's that thrifty bear. You know how mamas can be. And so she started doing this herself, and she really enjoys this kit, and she highly recommends it. She did want me to say, this is not a instant you just buy it and do it kind of kit. It's not super simple. There is a learning curve to getting it done right, and recommends watching some YouTube videos on it. All right, full disclosure on that, okay? Next up, this is something I bought. She thought I was insane. In fact, if you've been following the channel for a long time, I believe the second video I did was actually on the Coleman version of this same spa. I gotta tell you though, these things are fantastic. Short of buying a giant hot tub, paying thousands of dollars, having to have 220 wired and everything out there, you just throw this thing up, inflate it, fill it up. I know people who carry one in an RV, And apparently they use it every so often. They set it up and stuff. That's a fantastic idea. I don't know how much trouble I'll get in around here, but I might try that next time because we bought another one of these. As you can see, last purchase, July 26th. These things are fantastic ways to relax. They're not that expensive, all things compared to a full-size spa. Now, I will say this. This is the one we bought. Buying options right now, since the whole thing hit and the pandemic and everything, prices on these have gone through the roof. Look at this, $1,300. Do not buy this one. But here's the deal. Look at the pump. Look at the pump. Look at the pump. Look at the pump. They're the same thing. They're all made by like one company who makes all these. There's this one, the Coleman Spa. There it is. It's $549. Why is it cheaper than this one? I don't know. I don't know. But check this out. Here's another version of the first one. It's the same thing. As far as I can tell, it's exactly the same thing. It's $479. So, I mean, if you like the Coleman Green, pay $549. And I'm pretty sure if you have a problem with Coleman, because I'm pretty sure I did. Because look at it, it says underneath it, Sayu Spa. Huh? If you have a problem, Coleman's not going to answer the phone. They're going to send you over to Sayu Spa because Sayu Spa is just leasing the Coleman brand from them. But if you like the whole camping motif, go with the Coleman. Anyway, this one says it's fit 6 people. Not a chance. There is just not a chance this thing is fitting 6 people. I can't get the image to come up there for that one. But go watch my video on it. You're not fitting 6 people in this thing. This at least this one they say 4 people. That's honest. All right, and then this thing. This is another one of the gifts I got for the missus. She did not try. Got it for Christmas. Hasn't touched it. Had a cramp or something the other day. I pulled it out, made her use it, and now it just stays out in the RV. She's always using this. Someone's always using this. Was it $78? Now, just be clear. This is not the other kind of massager, and we're not going to talk about that, and we're keeping it family friendly here. This is a deep muscle relief massager. Anything past level 2 on this is some serious deep tissue massage, all right? This thing will get down in there. $78, it's rechargeable. It's a pretty nice setup. Comes with a semi-rigid box bag thing for it. I love it. It's a great deal there. All right, now we're getting into some danger area here, okay? If your wife or your mom is not super into this sort of thing, you might end up being in the doghouse. But I'm going to recommend this if your wife is like mine. She's practical and she loves this sort of thing. All right? She's asked for this sort of thing. So be careful. Be warned. Hart 20-volt cordless stick vac. Brushless motor. I definitely recommend the brushless. We have the brushed. I compared it to the brushless. The brushless is way better. The brushed is decent. The brushless is amazing. $200 right now here. Compare that to a Dyson and you will understand why I'm saying this is a good deal. All right. The Shark Professional Electronic Steam Mop. In our old house, we had big travertine tiles everywhere. Oh my gosh. She loved this thing. Uses it all the time. $60 on that one. All right. Fitbit. She asked for this specifically. Again, this is advanced level, husband, son kind of stuff. Don't just buy this for any mom. It could end badly for you. You might end up being, a snack plate or something like that. $128.95 on this. This is the Fitbit Charge 5. It's a nice streamline. It's not the most advanced one. They do make bigger ones. But anyway, they like that. The other thing is, this is super advanced husbandry here. Or sonnery. Do not buy this unless you know for a fact that this is something that she wants and really desires, because this could go so badly for you. But I did buy this for my wife and she was tickled pink. Again, you've been warned. All right, there you go. If you've got some ideas that you think the bear missed that should be shared with others, put it down in the comments below. I want to see it. I hope all of you moms out there have a fantastic Mother's Day. Wishing you all the love in the world from my family to yours. That's all the bear has for you today. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.